Hi, my name is Jack, and I'm the project manager. I make the graphics for all of our products. Typically, all of the design work will be done by Lucas and myself, with the research input from Cornell.
Hello, my name is Cornell, and I do the research for the group and occasionally assist the project manager. My research role primarily consists of DT committee's presentation and videos like these. As researcher, I also seldom find ideas or ways to improve them.
Hello, I am Lucas and I am the head of the DT committee. My job is to manage and organize the DT committee team and look over them to ensure sufficient and positive progression. Me and Jack think of ideas and we improve each other's. I also schedule meetings and set priorities.
The idea of a handheld console came from our client. Mr. Daly, the client, made an Arduino course teaching people who wanted to learn about Arduino. Jack thought that we could create something Arduino to interest people to join the course. We thought people who are interested in Arduino would like something they could program and start learning from. It also had to have high value and most importantly be low cost. We settled on a handheld Arduino console. In the background, you're watching our development. Initially, we started with a plus design. The Arduino had to be mounted on top to fit all the wiring in. This design had the potentiometer and buttons on top of the board. After consulting the client, we found ways to make the potentiometer and buttons more flush with the front panel, and as a result more ergonomic. We also added tabs to allow for an enclosure to be mounted. After a lengthy debate, we agreed to add angled edges at the bottom. This made it more ergonomic, arguably better looking, and added more space. However, it most importantly made the enclosure easier to make. Initially, we thought of the idea of using a former. The acrylic would be cut into the correct size with the correct tabs, heated in an oven, and placed into a former and formed. However, there were major issues with alignment. The pieces came out misshaped and cloudy. We were then inspired by some of the live hinges in the DT department and decided to try it out. This would make assembly much easier than individual pieces because it would be one long strip that wraps around. We had many failed tests and even tried to recreate one of the hinges the DT department had. We resorted to trying little increments at a time, which finally yielded results. It simply had to be correctly sized and fitted after that. However, the live hinge, due to its small size, was still quite brittle.